Team leader owa Uganda Blood Bank nagira ngu obwahati bine ekizibu kibura ry'Eshagama na mnonga ekika ekya group O.
We are experiencing stock out of blood, especially blood group O.
Nagira ngo ekizibu kikatandika mu kwezi kwa 12 omwaka gwahwire obu abana bagire ombihumuro obwahati hari kugira ngo abantu bakusingayo kuhereza Eshagama omukyanga.
The reason why we have shortage of blood is that students are on this.
Nayongera hagira ngo obwahati hakiriho na nomuze obwo abantu butejumbira mnonga omukugaba Eshagama.
And our population in the communities have a poor donation culture, especially when it comes to the festival season. Majorly people tend to be too busy for the festivals so that we don't get enough blood.
Okurugirira ahari benda abakazi babiri baherize kufera ahirwariro eri Hoima Regional Referral Hospital ahabo kushanga ngo babuzire Eshagama kandi ekinjo kibagemeserize na nokutaho ehururu eyo kurundana Eshagama omukyanga eki.
Funyo cases ibiri according to the director of the hospital kandi kino nikirugira hawa rare blood groups eziri rhesus factor negative ka blood group O minus A minus mu region zaitu munziri very rare wifuna.
John Mary ategeka omwe abahire Eshagama nagira ngo hakiriho obuzibu bw'amani omarwariro mingi niko kushaba abantu okugira ngo barugeyo bejumbire omukwaye Eshagama.
We have heard that during this festival season there was a total crisis in the hospital and about 3 to 4 children died because of no blood. So that's why we are here and I'm calling upon everyone to join our cause. We donate blood.
Ori RCC owa Hoima City Badru Mugabe nawe ho twashanga nahereze Eshagama yahiga abantu okwija kwejumbira omuhururu eyo kuhayo Eshagama kwenda kumaraho ekizibu ekiriho omarwariro.
When you donate blood, the hormones generate more blood and you also save a life, because if someone is out there looking for blood and will have it in excess, and it's even healthy sometimes. When you shed off excess blood, you give chance to your body to produce new and fresh blood. So I want to urge everybody to join this campaign and donate blood, because there are very many people out there who are looking for blood to save their lives. So if you have an opportunity to donate, please go and donate.
Brian Kaboyo oli meya wa city ya Hoima nagira ngo obwahati ehurureji hegenderire kurundana units gana z'Eshagama okubasa kwera abantu abari ombwetago obw'Eshagama.
Our blood bank seems to be running out, so I've run a campaign to make sure we hope and we mobilize the community to come and donate blood. We donate blood and we got to save lives. So we are running this campaign to make sure we raise at least more than 100 units of blood.
Ebi byona byabaho obari ho mukurundana Eshagama kandi ebi bitebekanitsibwe aba Uganda Blood Transfusion bakwatanise na Brian Kaboyo oli meya owa Hoima City.